In the ultimate playground, you have the Bolt Rollercoaster, you have the ropes course, the sports courts, waterworks, and mini golf. So let's take a walking tour right quick. Yeah, look right here, we got a cornhole or beanbag, whichever you want to call it. We're in port today. That's Cozumel you see over the deck. There's not a lot of people here. Foosball. And here's the sports, the basketball court. Right up there, there's the ropes course. And I'm on the walking track. Well, I'm right here under Carnival's trademark whale tail. Like up here on the ultimate playground, they got some nice places to sit. Yeah, it looks like the very back of the ship's a mini golf course. I'll get a better shot of it here in just a second. I want to turn around right quick and get a little shot of the waterworks. Yeah, we're clear at the back of the ship. Here's the mini golf course. There's your clubs and balls. Let's walk back here and look over the back of the ship. We're at the other side of the waterworks. I got some places for small kids. Look like some water slides. Places to sit. Well, I'm on the other side of the whale tail now. There's the roller coaster up there. Look like they're doing a little painting on it today. It got me blocked off. I can't go further. I'll have to go back around. But again, there's the ropes course, the roller coaster. I'm sure they play pickleball in there. I know that's real popular now. Get you a shot here. Looks like the breeze and the horizon's both in port today. There's a shot overlooking Cozumel. Hopefully this glass is clean enough you can see good. There's the where you get on and off the ships. I'm on the 18th deck, so this kind of gives you kind of a perspective what it looks like boarding and departing in Cozumel.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other Carnival Jubilee videos. Till next time, happy cruising.